In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide the Firefox List All Tabs icon in just a few simple steps. If that icon is taking up space in your toolbar or you just want a cleaner browser layout, this quick tutorial will help you remove it easily. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy browser tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu button, which is the three line icon. This opens the main Firefox menu with all of the browser options and settings you need. From the menu, move down and click on More Tools. This section contains extra features and customization options that help you change how Firefox looks and works. After that, click Customize Toolbar. This is where you can edit the toolbar layout, add buttons, remove buttons, and organize the icons exactly the way you want them. Now you'll see Firefox in customization mode. At the top right area of the browser, locate the List All Tabs icon. This is the button that shows every open tab in a list. If you want to hide it, simply click and hold that icon, then drag it away from the toolbar. Next, drop the icon into the Tools section. Once you place it there, it will be removed from the visible toolbar and hidden from the top right area. This is a great way to make your browser look cleaner and reduce clutter if you do not use that button often. After that, you can close the customization screen or just leave Firefox customization mode by clicking Done if you see that option. Your changes will be saved automatically and the List All Tabs icon will no longer appear in the top toolbar. And that's it, you've successfully hidden the Firefox List All Tabs icon. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and now your browser should feel a little more organized and easier to use. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.